GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against pound. Is it? Yes, pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Okay, and below the video you'll find some important links for you. The first link says get my intraday swing setup. So you can go and join the monthly membership if you want some signals, and then you can check out the brokers, go and join them, and join free Telegram as well. Okay, coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, this is your yeah, this looks like the uptrend to me. Okay, so this downtrend seems to be over maybe, or this is forming the head and shoulder. Time will tell. Okay, time will tell. But for now, come back to Delhi. In Delhi, we are going up. So today is US bank holiday. We are trying to form the bullish candle. So we might end up like this. Time will tell. But coming back to 4 hour here, we are in the uptrend unless the rejection comes and we go down again. Okay, this BOS is broken. We have to wait for this to break. Okay, if this previous high breaks, that's the confirmation will go up. Okay, coming back to daily time frame here again. Daily is where is our last swing? So last swing is somewhere right here. You can do this, you can also do this. Okay, so these two are your last swings, right? If the price breaks the first line or the second line, then we are gonna touch this high. So far so good. Okay, if you take the first line as your breakout entry, well, you know what, when the breakout happens, then wait for the rejection and then you go down. But if you go and check the last swing, you know, this one is last swing high, this one is last swing high. So the first one breaks, then we remove the second one. There you go. So come here now. So this is your last swing high. Okay, if the price breaks above my black line here, that's the confirmation that it will go and take down the side. Okay, but that's the analysis. That's no precise entry. If you want precise intraday trading swing setups, then you can go and check out the first link below. Subscribe, like and share, and we'll see you in the next.